How to make a thumb-size leather camera, fridge magnet and accessory. First, download the template, which is available from a link in the description. Carefully cut out the front pieces and fit a snap as you normally would. This is a 13mm diameter snap. Glue those front panels together. Use the front panel as a template to cut out a second back panel. The beige coloured leather is about 3mm in thickness. Punch a hole for one of those super strong magnets. This is a 6mm hole. Remember to keep the little plugs that come out. We'll use those to stick down as a winder mechanism on the camera. Carefully cut out the leather cradle pieces. This stitching line is purely decorative. I think people like the sort of chunky handmade look. Here I am just getting ready to set the smallest rivets that I could find. I'm marking a line where I need to just trim the back of the leather cradle, and then I can glue it into place. I then cut out another piece to match the base of the camera, the bottom part of the leather cradle, and I glue that into place as well. And then the camera is finished. Thank you for watching. Please check out my channel for more tutorials and free downloads.